Hey everyone, today's lesson is in relation to a little business English. I've got two sayings for you today. The first one is go over something, and the second one is to cut corners. Now, to go over something means review or look at in detail, as in we can go over something. Let's go over the plans. Would you mind going over this with me? Could you go over this with me? Things that you can go over are instructions or a plan or a project or a story or your essay. And the second saying is to cut corners. When you're actually doing a story or a project or a plan or writing up a set of instructions, you can what we call cut corners. And it doesn't literally mean cut corners, but figuratively speaking, it means cut corners as in not do such a good job, which is generally negative. And you can cut corners to save time. You can cut corners to save money. Or if you got your friend to write your essay for your homework for college or school, you cut corners. You didn't do it yourself, you got your friend to do it. So, the two sayings: go over something, which means review a plan in detail, and the other one is to cut corners, where you don't do such a good job and you reduce time and reduce money, or you get someone to write your essay for you, you cut corners. So those are the two sayings: go over something and to cut corners. And example sentences: could you go over this for me? Would you mind going over this for me? And to cut corners: have you cut any corners? Can we cut corners? Okay, those are your two sayings today. Practice those, and I'll be back with some more business English. Leave your comments below. Be sure to like the Easy English Club Facebook page, and stay tuned for the next video. And thank you for listening to this one. Bye-bye.